Home is where your heart is, where you can dream big, where your story begins, where memories are created, where you leave everything you love, expecting it to be there when you return. Great pizza, by the way. Let's talk about home security. We've all heard the statistics. A burglary happens every 15 seconds. Half of all burglars simply use the front door. 74% of burglaries happen in regular residential neighborhoods. But only 2% of burglars have a mustache as glorious as mine. Did you know that burglars are 3 times as likely to break into a home without any visible signs of a security system?
Thank you for calling Olarm. How can I assist you?
Hi, I need an alarm system.
Great, because now is the perfect time to shop for home security.
Introducing Olarm. Olarm is the world's smartest self-monitoring, install in minutes, connected to your cell phone, multi-purpose, complete home monitoring system that learns your lifestyle and adapts to it. It even knows when you're sleeping or awake, if you're home or away.
Okay, go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Get him.
Olarm easily integrates with Ring, Nest, Alexa, or any other existing system you have to help Olarm learn your living habits and provide the highest level of home monitoring. Now, can Fido do that? And installation is easy. Simply peel and stick the Olarm monitors to whichever portion of your house you'd like monitored. Each time something unsavory is detected, you'll be notified. It's as easy as that. You can also allow Olarm to send a trusted third party, like family and friends, notifications in case there's trouble.
Yeah, Mom. Yeah, we just burned a bagel. That's all. We're fine. Yeah, we'll come visit soon.
With Olarm, there are no contracts and no long-term agreements. How much does all this cost, you ask? Nothing. That's the whole point. Olarm puts the power of monitoring your home back in your hands, so there's no monthly fee. If you want to upgrade, you can have our professionals monitor everything for you. You can sign up for ours for the literally unbeatable price of $10 per month. That's it. For the past 2 years, our team's been working on the world's smartest home alarm system, and now we're ready to make your home a safer place. We believe that home security should not just be a luxury, but a necessity. So back us today.